How to remove background image from PDF in Acrobat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Adobe Acrobat application and open your file. Once you do, in your PDF, select the portion where the image is located and which you want to remove. Once you have selected, simply head to about pre-flight and you will see this prompt. In this prompt, at the bottom right corner, click on File. Then after, you will see the menu. From that menu, simply choose the option of Image. You will see it under Layers category. And from that, simply choose the option of Flatten Layers. Once you do, simply save your file by clicking Ctrl+S, and then the background image will be removed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.